How to change a Facebook number. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on this menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you're inside the menu section, scroll below and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Settings. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Password and Security. Now scroll below and then tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Now go ahead and tap on Contact Info. As you can see, I have my Facebook number right here. So for you to change Facebook number, you have to go ahead and add a new contact. So go ahead and tap on Add New Contact. From here, simply tap on Add Mobile Number. Now in this box, go ahead and type in your mobile number. Now once you enter your mobile number, go ahead and choose your Facebook account and then tap on Next. Now once you do that, you will receive a confirmation code in your new contact. Now once you get your confirmation code, simply go ahead and type in this Enter Confirmation Code box and then tap on Next. And just like so, I have added my new contact to the Facebook. Now simply go ahead and tap on your old contact and then simply tap on Delete Number. And once you delete that number, you'll then be able to change the number of your Facebook account. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.